Dear friends, in this video I will explain the descriptive measures associated with the samples. We have discussed in detail the descriptive measures to summarize data such as arithmetic mean, median, mode as measures of center, standard deviation, range, etc. as measures of variability, skewness and kurtosis as measures of shape, and we have also considered dot plots and the 5-number summary box plot. These descriptive measures will give you some idea about the shape of your distribution. So in this presentation, I will explain how to do all these using the Excel add-in Megastat. So I open an Excel sheet. This Excel sheet has many data sets. One is DPI, GDP, PCE, CP, dividends, etc. Okay, whatever is the variable, you just go to add-ins, Megastat. You have an option here, descriptive statistics. When you click the descriptive statistics, you have mean, sample variance and standard deviation, minimum value, maximum value and range, then median, quartiles, mode, outliers, box plots, dot plots, stem and leaf, runs plots. So I select box plots, dot plot, stem and leaf, normal curve plots. Then this is an empirical rule and normal curve, goodness of it, and so many other options are there. So some of the main themes we have discussed are mean, sample variance and standard deviation. Empirical rule, we have the 3 standard deviation rule and the like. Then skewness and kurtosis, coefficient of variance. Let empirical rule is also there. Then population variance and standard deviation. Then standard error of the mean, and so many other items are there. So I consider the variable DPI to explain these descriptive measures. A total of 244 observations. I just click OK. Let us see what are the items which will turn up. Count 244, mean 3946, sample standard deviation, sample variance, minimum value is 1072, maximum is 8695.2, range is given. Then empirical rule, mean minus 1 standard deviation, mean plus 1 standard deviation, percent in interval 68.26, mean that is 60.7%, plus or minus 2 97.5, then plus or minus 3 standard deviation 100%, skewness 0.508, then kurtosis minus, skewness is right skewed, positive value. Kurtosis is minus, relative to normal distribution. Then first quartile is this value, median is this, third quartile is this. Interquartile range is given, mode is not calculated because mode is not there. Then stem and leaf values are given that you can consider. Then box plots, as it is known to you, this is the median Q2, that is second quartile. This is first quartile, third quartile, and this is from minimum to first quartile. This is from third quartile to the maximum. And as you can see, the variability is low here, variability is much high here, and the distribution is not much. There is not much difference in the variability between first and third quartiles. Then dot plots, as there are only one observation, the dot plots are like this. Then regarding normal curve plots, it is not linear, it is non-linear. So we cannot assume that our variable is linear. It is actually non-linear. These are some of the summary measures, descriptive measures which we have discussed. You take another, again you go to Megastat. This time I take this PCE to see whether what are the characteristics of this. I give OK. Again you have this, and this is also not a normal, as you can see. Let me consider the third variable, the last variable dividend, Megastat, descriptive statistics, range. I take dividend to see whether it is normal or not, and also other descriptive measures. Okay. What I get here is there are many, as you can see, counter, minimum, mean, median, percent, everything is there. You can see that there are so many outliers here, as you can see here, and it is far away from normality. As you can see, normal curve is not at all linear, far away from linearity. Also, you can use the data analysis option available with Excel for for ANOVA correlation, descriptive. You can use this descriptive statistics. It will give you many options for summary statistics. Input range. I select an input range. I give OK. That will give you mean, standard deviation, median, mode, kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum, maximum, sum, count, etc. So many options are available in this. I always prefer Megastat for descriptive statistics, because Megastat will give you most of the statistical techniques, most of the summary measures which we have discussed. And let me give most of the summary measures we have studied can be calculated by using Megastat.